1, go! 2, 3, 4, 3, 7. Time's up. So, everybody has the snowball. Now, you open the paper and try to find the owner. Try to find it. You can.
You are sleeping?
Okay. My God.
Don't you like
Shrimp? Do you like it? I like
Chicken.
Do you like it?
Find another.
Is it yours?
Don't you like
Okay, give it back.
it's not yours?
Give the paper. Give the paper back to his or her.
Yes, it's mine.
Yes. Yeah, fine. The second.
Classroom language that I communicate in English in my school. Most of the unit 2 lessons that I communicate with them. It is around more than 60%.
More than 60%. And how is the impact for your students?
Actually, they try to speak better than before, and then they try their best. Even though they still use bilingual, but I really appreciate their try.
The efforts.
And their efforts.
Thank you, Pop. Now,
Yeah. In my opinion, I want my students to learn more about how giving attention and giving activity, because typically my students, they are easily distracted, especially because we have a large class group of people, a group of students, and we want them to be more focused with the classroom, and I want them to learn about how getting their attention to the students.
okay, good. Yes.
Well,
Last week.
last week.
Last week.
Well, during our language on disciplining students.
Oh, discipline.
Because we are still in the Independence Day commemorations. So there were some students who are practicing for the parade. So some of the students who are in the class, they get distracted, and also, I need to call them back to get focused to what we are talking about in the classroom. So I use a lot disciplining expressions this week, these 2 weeks actually.
It's 2 weeks actually.
Stay in line.
Stand up.
Line up.
Speak louder.
Listen to it.
Please speak louder. Put your book. Put your book. Give your paper. Write your paper. Write your name. Yeah, write your name on the paper. Don't want like this.
Move your back.
Oh, is it
Red loud.
Speak louder.
Situation you want a student to help you,
Next question. You want
please
to order
give
next week?
me, please,
You want
can
to
you help me
next
please?
week?
It can be, yeah.
Now we will move to the next activity.
Please copy to your
Segment, please.
Oh, it's good.
Maybe
Try it.
on this week.
Follow the
Please
instruction,
check
please.
your assignment.
So on my count, please show your feelings. Yeah, on my count, please.
Number 5.